Okay, get this. What if I told you a restaurant could serve 500 meals an hour with absolutely zero human waitstaff? Or a hotel could check in 100 guests at the exact same moment with no one at the front desk? Well, this isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now. All thanks to a hidden workforce of over 1 million service robots. And today, we're going to meet the 10 most important ones you've probably already walked right past.
Just let that number sink in for a second. 500 meals an hour. That's not just about being fast, it's a fundamental shift in how the entire service industry can work. It literally transforms the economics of running a restaurant and changes the kinds of jobs people do there.
And it's the exact same story in hospitality. I mean, when you can just eliminate a massive bottleneck like a check-in line, you completely redefine the guest experience from the ground up. This is the scale of the revolution we're talking about. It's a whole new kind of worker designed for a whole new kind of world. So what exactly is a service robot? Well, think of it as an autonomous machine that's built for the messy, unpredictable real world. We are not talking about factory robots in some sterile, controlled cage. No way. The real test for these machines is the chaos of a busy restaurant, a crowded hotel lobby, or a bustling airport. Places you and I go every single day. And look, this isn't some niche experiment happening in a lab somewhere. Right now, as you're watching this, over 1 million of these robots are already out there working across more than 60 countries. They're basically hiding in plain sight, and I think it's about time we meet them. So let's pull back the curtain. Here are the 10 key players in this new workforce. And I guarantee you've probably encountered at least one of them without even realizing it. First up, the food delivery robot. Picture a waiter that can carry almost 90 pounds of food, navigate a totally packed restaurant on a Saturday night, and never, ever spill a single drop. This machine is an absolute game changer, taking on one of the most physically draining jobs in the entire food service industry. But if you think that's impressive, just wait till you meet number 2, the Robotic Barista. This is not just a coffee machine, it's a coffee artist. It can craft hundreds of custom drinks every single hour, complete with latte art, and it does it with a level of precision that even the best human barista couldn't keep up for a full 8-hour shift. Coming in at number 3, we've got the Hotel Concierge Robot. This is the ultimate front desk assistant. It works 24/7, speaks over 20 languages fluently, checks you in, brings your room service, and never ever needs a coffee break. All right, let's head to the mall for number 4, the Retail Assistance Robot. This is the salesperson we've all secretly been waiting for. It can take you straight to the item you're looking for, tell you if it's in stock, and answer all your questions, all without any of that awkward sales pressure. And you're probably seeing number 5 pop up more and more, the Reception Robot. It's that new friendly face at the front desk, handling all the basic greetings and questions so the human staff can focus on the more complex stuff. This next one is a huge deal for massive public spaces. At number 6, we have the Public Space Cleaning Robot. This is the silent hero of airports and malls, cleaning enormous areas overnight with just perfect accuracy. Imagine a janitor that never ever misses a spot.
Okay, get ready for number 7 because this one is a true game changer for your weekly grocery run. Meet the shelf-scanning robot. This is the inventory manager that never blinks, patrolling the aisles and spotting problems that are just so easy for the human eye to miss.
So how does it do it? Well, it's packed with a high-tech combo of cameras, 3D LiDAR for navigation, and some seriously smart AI-powered computer vision. It can instantly spot an empty shelf, a pricing error, or products that are in the totally wrong place. It is a huge leap forward for retail efficiency. At number 8, we're diving into the world of entertainment. These are the robots you'll find in theme parks, putting on incredible shows and interacting with guests all day long. And their real superpower? They have the exact same amount of energy for the very last guest of the day as they do for the first. Number 9 takes on one of the most important jobs imaginable, the Elder Care Companion Robot. This isn't just a machine, it's a caregiver. It helps our aging loved ones remember to take their medicine, it can detect falls, and it even provides social interaction to help fight loneliness. This is truly technology with a heart. And finally, at number 10, we have a robot designed to thrive in one of the most stressful, chaotic environments on Earth, the airport. Say hello to the Airport Guidance Robot. This robot is basically a beacon of calm in the middle of a travel storm. It can navigate huge, crowded terminals, give you real-time flight updates from live data, translate over 40 languages on the spot, and literally guide you right to your gate. It's an incredible piece of engineering that's making travel just a little bit less stressful for all of us. So we've met 10 different robots in 10 very different places. But what's the one thing they all have in common? It's not really their intelligence or their fancy tech, it's something much more fundamental. Welcome to the reliability revolution. And this right here, this is the core idea that ties everything together. The true superpower of these robots isn't about how smart they are. It's their unwavering reliability and their endless patience, right in the middle of our chaotic human world. So there you have it. 10 robots, 10 chaotic human spaces, all united by one single mission: to serve, guide, and assist with tireless patience. Hey, if this opened your eyes to a new side of robotics, do us a huge favor and hit those like and subscribe buttons. It honestly helps us a ton and lets us keep making more explainers just like this one. And trust me, you are not going to want to miss what's coming up next. We're leaving the city and heading to the farm to meet the agricultural robots that are in a race against time to feed our growing planet. It's a story you won't forget.
I'm Synera, and I just want to say a huge thank you to every single one of you for spending your time with us today. It genuinely means the world. If you enjoyed this, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss what we put out next. We've got so much more coming your way, and I can't wait to share it with you. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.